What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. Of course, I'm Marquise, and I'm joined by Mary, and all throughout the month of November, we are highlighting Astronomy Month, and we've got quite the setup in front of us today, right?
Yeah, so we have the Orion capsules here today for the newest manned space program from NASA, Artemis. So this is what's going to actually hold our wonderful 4 astronauts. Hopefully, fingers crossed, all goes well. They will be going up next spring in their beautiful SLS rocket. And there's a bunch of moving pieces to these missions. There's stuff that can go wrong at every point. So NASA spends years and years and years testing everything. One of the biggest parts are their parachutes for when they come down and their splashdown. They land in the ocean, it's nice and soft. They have to go about from 17,500 miles an hour to 20. They get maybe about 30 minutes to do so. That's not a lot of time.
Yeah, and quite a deceleration phase right there. So
Okay.
today we're going to be making parachutes.
Yeah, we're going to test out some different material. So a lot of the scientists over at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, or JPL, they spend a lot of time looking at the different air resistance for the parachutes. So they'll have different materials, different thickness of the materials, and then they'll take it into these giant wind tunnels and they'll simulate that kind of coming down and re-entry. So you can pick whichever parachute you would
I'm
want.
going to go with this beautiful coffee
The coffee
filter
filter?
here.
I think I'm going to go with the paper plate. I don't want the tissue paper. I don't believe in it. All right, so going to take your wonderful capsule. You can name it. It's a good luck to name your capsule.
I'm going to call it Corey. Corey the capsule.
Corey the capsule. I like it. I'll call mine KidsTown just to keep it nice and simple. All right, go ahead and take one of your strings.
Here we go.
And we're going to make a crisscross fashion on our wonderful parachute here. Your astronauts, you may name your astronauts as well. A lot of pressure.
I'm going to go with Woody and Buzz.
Woody and Buzz. I'm going to go with Buzz and Neil.
Okay, all right.
And we're just going to help our parachute a little by giving it some weight. Then you're going to go ahead and secure your final astronaut in something like this. I just kind of attached the paper clip to the paper itself.
Okay. I think I'm kind of in there.
Yeah, nice. All right, let's take it over to our beautiful wind tunnel over here. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and then we will drop our parachutes in. So I'll go ahead first with my parachute.
Well,
I don't think my astronauts made it to splashdown.
I feel like...
Oh, yours got there a bit better. Let's try it again. Whoa!
I mean, they're slowly falling, so that's the goal right
Much
there.
slower than they would.
We'll call it falling with style.
Exactly. Oh, yeah.
It wasn't bad.
Your astronauts are definitely making it to a much slower splashdown than mine are.
So for our people at home, what is the Artemis mission going to be taking off?
It's going to be taken off anywhere from February to April of 2026. That's the current projection NASA has for it.
Sweet. And obviously we can learn so much more here at the Orlando Science Center all throughout the month of November because we are highlighting Astronomy Month, right?
Yep, and we even have Astro Fest November 15th and 16th, where you can even do our Artemis Challenge here in KidsTown.
Awesome. Well, we hope to see you guys here rather soon, but for now, let's send it back to the desk.